In this video, I'm not going to count how many liters of water Baikal holds or list every scientific fact. I'm just going to show you how it feels to stand here, on the edge of an ancient, natural miracle. Welcome to Lake Baikal. This is not just a lake, this is the heart of Siberia and the soul of frozen wonder. The world's deepest, oldest, and clearest freshwater lake, where time feels like it's paused beneath the ice. From the mystical Okon Island to walking on a frozen glassy surface that stretches beyond the horizon. And if you're lucky, you might spot the shy Baikal seals dancing under the crystal clear ice. If you love seeing the world from above, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. New perspectives, new cities, a new flight every time.